welcome back to Traveling Teacher. So here today we will see the graph and we will learn the relationship between price and demand. So in economics we call demand something that we are willing to buy and we are able to buy, which means we have the capacity to buy that thing. So what is the relationship of price and demand? So one thing you need to remember, the relationship between price and demand is negative, which means if the price of something is going up, the quantity demand will be going down. But if the price is falling, the quantity demand will increase. For example, if the price of something is P1, we can say the quantity demand of that thing is Q1. But if price falls to 2, the quantity demand will increase to Q2. Here you can have a look at the price is falling and the quantity demand is increasing. So if we draw the graph here, the graph will be a negative curve. So which means when the price is falling down, the quantity demand is increasing. So it's not only the price that can affect the quantity demand, but there are other factors as well that can affect the quantity demand even there is no change in price. So I will put an example here, income. For example, if the price of something is still P1, but the income of the consumer has increased. So in this way, the consumer will be able to buy the goods at quantity Q2. So in this case, if I draw the graph will be like that. Here you can see, although the price of this item is still at P1, but the quantity demand that the consumer is willing to buy has increased. So although income can affect, so population can affect this factor as well. So the shift will be the demand curve will move to the right side in case if it is being changed with income or any other factor. Otherwise the movement will be on the graph alongside the graph of quantity demand. So that is a very simple way to keep the graph of quantity demand in your head. So once you understand the graph, so the same graph, the explanation of graph is normally the application in your 4 marker, 6 marker and 8 marker question. So make sure you draw the graph and you explain the same way as I have explained this in this video, that how the price is affecting the quantity demand. Thank you very much.